Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the best personal items I found that nobody's talking about and beats the budget airlines at their own game. So stick around. Hi everyone, it's Perry from Perry's Passport, and today I'm going to be talking about a bag unlike any other bag I've seen when you're talking about personal item size bag. It's this bag. It's a TakeOff bag, and it's so totally different from any other bag out there. And it really beats the airlines, Frontier and Spirit Airline in particular, in their game on what's a personal size item. I'll be getting into that. So let's talk a little bit about personal item bags. The problem is one bag doesn't do it all, apparently. If you want to maximize your packing space, you have to give up some things. And if you want to have other items like your computer pockets and stuff like that, then you have to give up some packing space. The bag that I have today to show you, which is the TakeOff bag, is a bag that maximizes your packing space. I got a week's worth of winter clothing in there, and that's my baseline for everything, is does it fit winter clothing, because that's the heaviest and the bulkiest clothing. And I'll go through my pack later. But it doesn't come with like a pocket for your water bottle, and it doesn't have all the other pockets and a computer sleeve and stuff like that. So you're giving up something to get something else. So if your game here is to maximize how much you can pack into a bag, this is your bag. If you want to take something less and have your pocket for your computer and your pens and your pencils, this isn't your bag. But with that in mind, let's take a look at everything. So the concept of this bag is that you're maximizing the size the Frontier and Spirit Airlines allow in their drop boxes by not including the wheels, which pop on very easily here at the bottom. And I think that that's genius. So I also bought the accessories that came along with the bag, which was the compression cubes, the shoe bag, and the toiletry bag. I'm going to also be going over those too. The bag has some really nice features that more expensive bags have, like the TSA locks here, which open up like this. These upper two corners are reinforced. When you open the bag, it has the zip side here, and it has the clip side here. Oops. So just like the more expensive bags. So this bag is 18 by 14 by 8 without the wheels. So that will make sure that it gets into the drop boxes at both Frontier and Spirit Air. And this is the XL size. So you should know that too. So let me go over the compression cubes. They come in a set of 3, a big one, and 2 what I would describe as middle-sized ones. They have a nice plushy feel on the inside. They have a mesh on the outside, which allows your clothing to breathe. The zippers seem more than competent, and everything zips up okay. It also has these little back pockets where you can stick other little incidentals, which is kind of nice. The bags are really well made. They have that soft lining all the way through, and yeah, they're really nice, and they fit perfectly inside the bag, which is in itself makes it worth the purchase. I also bought the shoe bag, which is a nice deep shoe bag. You can see it's nice and deep. Has another internal pocket here for other little incidentals. You could use this as a tech bag or anything else, but for my personal needs, I would not use this, but it's definitely a good bag. It's a lighter weight material than the compression cubes. The other bag that I got was their toiletry bag. I would say, unless you're a very, very minimalist packer, I would not go for this now that I see it. Yes, it does have a nice place for toiletries. For a guy, maybe this would work. It's not going to work for a girl. It has two little compartments, one here. Maybe you could stick your brushes here. This is not going to hold my makeup and other incidentals like powder and stuff like that. So I think I would forgo this, but that's me personally. It does have, though, if for you guys, it does have a hanger here, you can see, and it does have magnetic locks, which is nice. But like I said, I think it's just a little too small for a girl. And before I pack the bag, take a moment and hit the like and subscribe button if you find any value in what I'm showing you today. So now I'm going to pack my usual winter pack, and I have to say that this would be my pack I would pack no matter what. And if the bag can't hold this, then I'm not interested in the bag. So let's go over my pack. First, I have 5 sweaters that I mix and match. And I'm going to zip up the top. Don't mind my sloppy. And then I'm going to zip up the compression part. And I have to say that these are some of the easiest compression cubes I've ever had to pack. I like this just for the compression cubes alone. No pressure. Perfectly packed. 5 sweaters. So when I pack, I like to pack towards the width of the bag, and that goes for when I roll items too. I'm going to show you. That's black on black, so you can't see it that clearly. It's the width of the bag is the width of my roll. So there's a little tip. I'm going to take 5 mix and match long sleeve shirts that can be either worn alone or with the sweaters, depending on the temperature. I'm going to stick that in here. I'm also going to stick in here my little swing top in case I go out anywhere nice, and this little kimono kind of topper. See if this all fits in here. Well, that was easy. Let's see if it zips up easy on this, on the compression side of this. One last little zip, and done. I have to say, these are among some of the easiest compression cubes I've ever packed, even when really stuffed. So the rest of the pack would be the 3 cubes, my computer, my tech bag, the rest of my makeup, and I'll get into that in a minute, a light pair and a heavy pair of leggings, my jeans, and that's it. Now let's see if we can get it into the bag. Okay, so now we're ready to pack this side of the bag. I'm going to put my packing cube that has my underwear, my socks, and my pajamas here. Because there's no designated computer compartment, I always take my computer everywhere, and I'm going to buffer it with my jeans and my leggings. I'll be here, put that there. I'm going to put my other pair of thick leggings on top, and the rest of my toiletries that don't have to go through TSA here, and my tech bag here. And then I'm going to close it up. On this side of the suitcase with the cover, I'm going to be putting my compression cube that holds all my sweaters and a nice top. And on the other side, the one that holds all my long sleeve shirts and the topper and the other swing top on this side, and it fits right in. And then you zip it up. Okay, and then we zip the bag up. Now you might have noticed that because this bag doesn't have any external pockets and you have to go through TSA, Sometimes nowadays, by the way, they make you take out your computer, and sometimes they don't. And if they do, you'll have to grab the computer from out of inside the bag. The other thing to be concerned about is your liquids. So to get through TSA quickly, I have my handy dandy crossbody bag, and I put my liquids into this bag to move things along quickly, along with my other incidentals. There's plenty of room in this bag still. So I would suggest using one of these kind of bags if you're going to be using this takeoff bag, because there are no external pockets. And that's one of the trade-offs that I was talking about in the beginning. Okay, so let's test the handle. Goes up nice and easy. Goes down. Let's do that one more time. Up. Let's rattle. Feels pretty sturdy. Back down. Okay, let's give it the roll test. Fully packed. Rolling really nice and smooth. You can see I'm just rolls on its own. Okay, well that's great. It also has a handle here on the side and a handle here on the top. Convenient. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.